This case has escalated to a whole new level, and what I'm talking about is this whole Movado thing. And we weren't going to run this story until we had credible news outlets running this story, and we actually have credible news sources running the story now, so we can put it out there. And it says the 17-year-old son of entertainer David Movado Brooks has been transferred to the Metcalf Street Secure Juvenile Remand Center, while all the artist's other relatives have been released by the cops. If you guys didn't know, 5 family members of Movado was in police custody, so they let go 4 of them, and he hired Peter Champagne to represent them. So I don't know if that has something to do with why those 4 were released, but I'm going to continue with the article. And it says the artist, who had a show in the USA on Sunday, has not returned to the island. The police wanted to question him with regards to a recent flare-up in violence in Cassava Peace community. We are in constant dialogue with the police, and Mr. Brooks Movado is making arrangements to return to Jamaica in short order. Attorney at law Tamika Harris told Loop Jamaica reporter Claude Mills. So they got in contact with Movado's lawyer, and that was what his lawyer had to say, that he's making arrangements to go to Jamaica. He didn't give a specific time or date as to when he's going to Jamaica, and that's probably because of his safety, but that's good to know. Every one of Movado's relatives except for Movado's son was released over the weekend. The police from MIT Major Investigative Task Force wanted to question him further. Movado left the island hours before the gruesome murder of a man in Cassava Peace last Tuesday morning, as the insurgence of gang violence intensified in that area. The deceased had been identified as 23-year-old Lozani Thompson, otherwise called Israel, or Trollops of Cassava Peace. Thomas was reportedly at home early in the morning when armed men kicked in the door to the house that he had occupied and shot and then chopped him to death. His body was then set ablaze by the hoodlums. Thomas was the second person killed in 3 days in the wake of the shooting incident involving Movado in the community 2 Saturdays ago. The first murder was that of Cassava Peace resident Ian Robinson, otherwise called Gaza Man, who was shot dead at the Constant Spring Market the following Sunday. So his son has officially been transferred to juvenile remand. Don't know what they're going to hold him there for, or if he actually has been charged or any of that. It just said he has been transferred. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the story. Do you think that it's escalating to a point now where Movado is actually going to get charged for something, or do you think that they're stacking some evidence against Movado until he comes here, then they are going to lock him up? Comment what you think is going to happen with this case, because every day this case gradually escalates. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.